Madison County, southeastern Clinton County, northeastern Boone County, Hamilton County, southwestern Tipton County, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Frankfort, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anderson, Fishers, Noblesville, Westfield, Cicero, Sheridan, LaPel, Edgewood, Arcadia, Kirkland, and Morse Reservoir. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 208 and 214.
Severe thunderstorm
For your
warning.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of
Severe
nature's
thunderstorm
leading
warning for
killers.
Hamilton County.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Clinton, Hamilton, Madison, and Tipton.